Welcome to another Drone View JA video update.
Don't be a stranger.
In today's video, we are in White Horse's St. Thomas,
Darling, I feel
and Chec has taken charge of the final lane of asphalt.
around no matter the cost. My heart all in pieces.
I will take you back to the aerial view in a minute, but for now I just want to show you the ground view
Your heart
of the final paving, and this is where I'm showing it right here. I'm going to go across the road and show you where the original paving is, and also you can see the height of the new paving that has been done. I've just got a ground level view of the final lane of asphalt. This final layer is being done by Chec engineers. My viewers, if you look to the edges of the roadway, you can see that those areas are now being filled out. My viewers, the direction that I'm flying in is towards Roach Gully. That means I'm heading east.
For real, I know you're crying too when we could enjoy each other's company. My heart all in pieces. I lost what I needed. My God, hate this feeling. Your heart misses something. You want all or nothing. Moving on is boring. We say goodbye, and it's killing us. Looking like two train wrecks, falling off the tracks. We were fine, so I messed it up. I don't know. We say goodbye, and it's not for us.
My viewers, I will be now flying in a westerly direction. We are now heading down Botany Bay.
Give me a moment to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we stop?
My viewers, please remember to hit that like button, share the video, and leave a comment.
No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we
My viewers, I hope you are enjoying the video so far.
Don't want nobody.
And just to let you know that this video may be a two-part series because there's a lot of action happening below where we're covering.
Survive the distance. Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. time I think.
My viewers, S&G, our local contractors, they're responsible for this era of the roadway.
Conclusion, you don't love me, no.
Now Chec is now putting on that icing on the cake to make sure we have a A-class standard asphalt roadway. And it is a pretty smooth top surface.
Hurt disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love, self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. I question what my future has in store. I get to panicking, anxiety, can't live here no more. No more. I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. The root of my own pain.
It's yours. The only thing that will be more pleasing to the eyes is seeing those white lines marking on the road. And if you disagree, please to put your thoughts in the comment section.
Picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the
viewers, while we are flying and looking at this beautiful roadway, we want to give a thanks to our local contractors, Gilroy Construction and also S&G Construction, and also to the major contractor, which is the Chec Engineers and the government of Jamaica.
Kinda great, even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. When I'm 123, really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks, 'cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls. I thank God for making me brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
Viewers, I just want you to know that the next part of this video is coming real soon.